Why is Spotify playing songs not on my playlist?
Hello? If you're a Spotify user and you've ever wondered, why is Spotify playing songs that are not on my playlist, you've come to the right place. We'll be breaking down this topic, highlighting reasons, and providing you with possible solutions.
What is Spotify's autoplay feature?
The primary reason Spotify may play songs not included in your playlist is due to its autoplay feature. Autoplay automatically selects and plays similar songs once your playlist ends. It's like a radio station based on the songs you've been listening to. So, when your playlist ends, instead of going silent, Spotify continues to play music it thinks you might enjoy.
How does Spotify choose these songs?
Spotify uses an algorithm that considers several factors when choosing songs for autoplay. This includes the types of songs you've been listening to, songs you've liked or saved, and songs that are popular among other users with similar music taste. So, even though these songs might not be on your specific playlist, they align with your general music preferences, according to Spotify's algorithm.
How to turn off autoplay?
If you prefer Spotify to stop playing music once your playlist is finished, you can turn off autoplay. Here's how. 1. Go to Settings in your Spotify app. 2. Scroll down to Playback 3. Here, you will find an option called Autoplay 4. Simply toggle off this option to stop Spotify from playing songs outside your playlist.
What if songs from other playlists are being played?
If Spotify is playing songs from other playlists or songs you've never listened to, it might be a sign of unwanted activity on your account. This can happen if your Spotify account has been compromised. If you notice this activity, it's a good idea to change your password and check the list of devices where your account is logged in. Remember, it's always important to secure your account to ensure a seamless music experience. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion about why Spotify plays songs not included in your playlists. Remember, the autoplay feature can be a great way to discover new music, but if you prefer to stick to your set playlist, you can easily turn it off in the settings. Keep enjoying your music and stay safe online.